guys, it's just me and my dad and my little brother and my big brother exploring nature. And it's nice. We hear some sticks and you can listen to the sound of it.
Hi, Kev.
The rocks look beautiful and the sun is bright and look at his face. It looks like he's enjoying it. That reminds me when I was his age. Alright guys, let me just let you watch this for a minute. Yeah, it was so fun.
He's
Thank
stuck.
God for nature. Beautiful. If you enjoy what we're watching, click that like button.
What did you say?
Give it a Hulk punch. Don't forget to subscribe.
Careful.
If there's toys in here, I might pick them up and keep them. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's technically, use that word. Searching for stuff. What if there's dinosaurs? Never mind. Dinosaurs.
You made it?
Yes.
All right.
That they throw. They threw it over here. What if they got? Then they would go because it's part of their houses. What if they threw it all the way over here, or they were hiking with them? Not hiking. What kind of pigs are we hunting today? If there's toys here,
What is he doing? Ay, 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 ay. And they're touching everything.
Joven, Calvin.
You said don't touch everything, so I have to